Hi guys, I want to show you how I customize my chokers. I got this choker from Body G for You and I love it. It's very simple, but I think we all know I am anything but that. So I thought I'd show you guys how I upgrade my chokers a little bit. It's super cheap, super simple, and I'm really excited to see what I do with this bad boy. So obviously we're going to start with some spikes. These spikes do screw on and off, so it is perfect for whenever you're going through leather like this. I'm going to mark where I want the spikes to be, and then I'll show you guys how I put them on. Okay, so I've made indentations right here. I'm shooting for 3 spikes on each side. So since this leather isn't too thick, I'm just going to take the end of my tweezers, the pointy side, and I'm just going to twist like that until I feel it poke through the other side. And this is what screws into the spike. So the screw is in there, and I'm just going to screw the spike on. And there we go, we have 2 spikes on there. So here it is finished with the spikes. I was able to get through on there, so that makes me super happy. So now let's figure out which charms we're gonna put. I have a whole case of them right here that I'm gonna go through, so give me just a minute and I will come back with one. So how I put my charms on is I get clear elastics, and you wanna make sure that they're super stretchy. I cut it in half, I put it at the hole at the top, and I'm going to tie it here at the bottom. Okay, so there it is. You're gonna have some pieces right here, you can just cut those off. So I'm gonna glue some red gems right there in the eyes. I just feel like it would add a nice touch. So here's the before, and here's the after. I'll do a close-up for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't that much, but I think adding little things like this really does amplify your chokers, especially if you live in an area like I do where they don't really sell alternative clothing, let alone alternative jewelry. It's super fun, super quick and easy, and a really good way to kind of get your creativity flowing. If you guys want more videos like this, just please let me know, because I obviously have a lot of gems I can put to good use. And I'm thinking about doing a giveaway on some of the jewelry that I do make, so if you guys would like that, let me know, and stay tuned. Bye!